Configuring database availability group networks manually. Okay, just a quick recap. We had two Exchange servers, or we have two Exchange server EX1 and EX2. And what we did so far, that on both Exchange servers, we have installed third-party certificates, and I have set up virtual directories to a namespace called ova.itsense.com, and both certificates are issued for ova.itsense.com by Komodo, it's third-party CA. Then we have created database availability group called DAG1 using EX1 and EX2, and we successfully created DAG. However, if you notice over here under DAG networks, currently at the moment it's using both networks, MAPI network, which is in my case production network, and the replication networks. These both networks are used for replication. What if I don't want that? I want only the replication network to be used. Then in this case, I have to come over here under the properties and select this option. Once I select this option, I have an option to enable or disable replication on particular networks. As you can see, I have a MAPI and replication network. So, for example, if I go to the MAPI network properties, I see my production network. This is the network that my clients will use to connect to Exchange. And see that application is enabled. As I said, by default, Exchange DAG setup detected both network and configured replication or enabled replication for both networks. So, what if I want to change it? All right. Before that, let's go to the properties, or let's see the details of replication network. And if you recall, this is the network or subnet I'm using for replication network. So let's say, all right, it could be okay for some people, but I don't want to use the MAPI network for application. So all I had to do, just click over here. It will give me a warning. Just click OK and see the application has been disabled for MAPI network. That's why enable replication option. The disable replication link has been changed to enable replication. So this way you can disable replication for your production network or MAPI network. As I say, by default, it's enabled for both networks. Of course, in the future, if you want to add another DAG network, then you can go over here and define a subnet that you want to use for your DAG. So this is it. It's very simple. You can enable or disable replication on DAG networks. If you are okay with it, you can keep it enabled for both. Otherwise, you can disable it for your MAPI or production network. So this is it. I would like to thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and check back my website for more future videos. Thank you.